Which of these musicians composed The Marriage of Figaro? Johannes Brahms, Richard Wagner, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, Frédéric Chopin. The correct answer is Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. Which of the following is the capital city of Barbados? Bridgetown, Lima, Nassau, Lusaka. The correct answer is Bridgetown. Which of these is the nickname for U.S. state Illinois? Land of Lincoln, Evergreen State, Golden State, Cotton State. The correct answer is Land of Lincoln. In Hinduism, which animal is considered sacred? Pig, cow, horse, elephant. The correct answer is cow. In Einstein's famous equation E equals mc squared, what does the C represent? Charge, Celsius, speed of light, constant energy. The correct answer is speed of light. In the world of finance, what does IPO stand for? International Property Order, Initial Public Offering, Independent Portfolio Option, Investment Profit Objective. The correct answer is Initial Public Offering. The word ruby comes from the Latin word ruber, which means blue, red, green, yellow. The correct answer is red. Which country produces over 30% of the world's manufactured goods? United States, China, India, Germany. The correct answer is China. The plot of The Lion King is inspired by which Shakespearean play? Macbeth, Romeo and Juliet, Hamlet, King Lear. The correct answer is Hamlet. The rulers of which empire constructed famous sites like the Taj Mahal and Badshahi Mosque? Ottoman Empire, Mughal Empire, Safavid Empire, Maurya Empire. The correct answer is Mughal Empire. The world's deepest ocean trench, the Mariana Trench, lies in which ocean? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is Pacific Ocean. Who was the first pharaoh of the New Kingdom? Hatshepsut, Tutankhamun, Akhenaten, Amenhotep I. The correct answer is Amenhotep I. What is the nickname of the Dachi? The Great Slayer, the Mountain Cutter, the Sky Splitter, the Dragon Fang. The correct answer is the Mountain Cutter. What is the most streamed series of all time on Netflix? Bridgerton, Wednesday, Stranger Things, Squid Game. The correct answer is Squid Game. What do you call an underground place used for storing wine? Barrel room, wine cellar, vineyard, winery. The correct answer is wine cellar.